Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so you all know, if you watched my last couple of videos, I am getting myself ready for Asheville, North Carolina. I had 12 canvases to do and I, didn't know if I was going to record them or not. I decided to just hit record and just do my thing. So that is what you guys are watching today. You are watching a set of 4 canvases, a 10 by 10 inch canvases. I am making them for Asheville, my class in Asheville, the resin top coating class. So I decided to just do 2 color palettes and, do 2 canvases with 1 color palette, maybe switch up the order kind of thing. Don't ask me what colors I used. I have no idea. I did not write it down. I did not, keep track. I just picked a bunch of colors, and did my thing. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm just actually going to throw in some music, let you guys watch everything, the blowouts, all of that. And I will come back at the end and, yeah, that's it. I'll be back. And there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this and these colors. Which one do you like, top or bottom? They're both the same colors on the top, both the same colors at the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying Easter Sunday with my family. And yeah, that's it. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.